Hi everybody, it's Mrs. B, and today for my simple recipe, it's one of the simplest one of all. You just need your frying pan, turn it on medium, shake up some Italian dressing, any kind that you like. You know I got it from Walmart. And just pour half a bottle in. Take your boneless chicken breast, put it right in there. Take your lid, just put your lid on it, and then you're going to let it just cook with the Italian dressing. Normally, I like to add 1 can of carrots. I know a lot of people don't like carrots. I have a niece who doesn't like carrots, but the best part is that they taste so good soaked in the Italian dressing and just cooked with the chicken, and it just gives it that flavor. Especially when I like to cook the chicken to the point it's brown on both sides. And then I'm just going to make a baked potato with it. So I'm going to pause it and we'll get back to when it's almost done. Okay, everybody, I just wanted to show you that with the lid on, it is cooking the chicken. Just let it boil it. Let it cook the inside of that chicken so you don't get sick. And you know what? While I got the lid off, I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Doesn't have to be brown. Oh yeah, look at it come together. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it every time. Okay guys, so I'm at a point where the steam and the Italian dressing's coming together and boiling rapidly. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Stand back so you don't get a big woof of air into your throat. And then let it just air out. Let it evaporate some and just cook that chicken. Okay? This is what it looks like so far. And you can probably flip it again. You'll notice that the fat and the juices are coming up out of the chicken. You want that. And it's turning brown on the other side, so I chose a good time to go ahead and flip it and turn it down. Check it out. Okay, so most of the juice has evaporated, and I'm flipping them over. I'll show you how it looks when the juice is evaporating. And if you come with me over here, the potatoes are almost done. About 12 seconds. So be careful when you open it up. The steam again will come at you. Okay. I like to put my butter on the potato when it's nice and soft. I'm not touching the plate because I know that plate's hot. Come back and get that open. And then you just go ahead and cut it open. And then kind of just mash up your potato a little bit. Grab your butter. And if you're like my daughter Molly, she don't like butter, so we just go straight to the sour cream. Throw some sour cream on there. Just a little bit. You don't want to overpower the potato. And then I like the bacon cheese at Walmart. So our potatoes ready. It's cooling off just a little bit. And we're going to go back to the chicken. Oh yeah, it's getting nice and golden brown. Juices are evaporating. To wash your pan, go ahead and scrape some of that juice off the bottom of it. It gives it that good flavor. And then soak your pan with some Dawn soap a little bit. This is all you're doing is basically just watching it. Alright, so we are at the stage where it is done. It took about 30 minutes, 35, 40 minutes on the stove top. Easy to start. You just got to keep an eye on it. With a baked potato. Like so. Let's cut into it. It's done in the center. Let's try it out. I say it every time. You can just do simple and it tastes good when you're in a hurry just to keep yourself from stopping at the fast food place. I hope you like and subscribe. Share this recipe with someone that you know is eating out all the time. Bye, guys. I just put the potatoes into the microwave. Remember, 3 buttons, or hit it 3 times for potatoes, and then just hit start. Okay, guys? While the chicken's cooking. I'm at a point where I'm going to go ahead and let it cook with the lid off so it can evaporate some of the juices from the Italian dressing. And be careful, you get a whiff of it. No, let me redo that.